Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are doing a series of DIY games at home and this is part 2. And today we focus on maze. The first DIY maze is about beginning sounds. On a white sheet of paper, I drew the objects along the maze and made the alphabets of its beginning sounds. My daughter had to match them accordingly. So I used this maze for multiple purposes. The second option that we did here was what goes together. For example, in this case, the shoe and the ball go together. Maze is more than it looks like. It is a journey for the little hands and little eyes to work closely together. It's a journey with a starting point and a destination, but with unknown excitement in between. And it also could be a story. My daughter found it difficult to do it in the first go. It took 2 attempts to understand. So don't worry if it takes time with your kids. It would be fun if it take it slow. Mazes are a fun, brilliant activity making a mind work and think. I have been wanting to introduce these to my daughter since a long time now. These are perfect for the ones who like twists and turns. They aren't easy to crack and I am looking for her to solve these into small steps. As far as possible, do involve your kids whenever you make something like this. That makes the kids feel involved and also increases their interest in the activity. Mazes are a great way to work on handwriting without just writing letters or words. The second maze for today is for my son and it is to find your way home. I drew this simple maze on a white sheet of paper. He had to find the correct route which helped him to reach the house. Mazes are always a huge hit with kids. While mazes are a lot of fun and provide sufficient challenges for them, they also help to address a variety of skills with your kids. Have kids begin with a simple maze to provide immediate success and then have them work towards completing mazes of increased difficulty. And our next maze is to get the mouse to the cheese. To get the mouse to the cheese, this activity is meant for kids to work on their numerical sequence. In this case, it would be from 11 to 23. Positioning himself in box number 11, he'll go looking for the rest of the numbers until 23. As at the same time, he will chart the path that will link the mouse and the cheese. Mazes are really beneficial for kids in many ways. 1. For kids, completing mazes is a great way to boost their problem solving skills. 2. Solving mazes also boosts their patience and persistence and teaches them about the rewards of work. 3. Mazes can also help improve a child's cognitive thought process. 4. It is wonderful for improving hand and eye coordination. And 5. Concentrating on a maze also helps with memory power and increases their focus as well. I never thought my son could sit in a place and do anything for a long until he surprised me by sitting through an entire maze book one day. So I decided to make him more. He loves to do these. One of the best intellectual game is to play with a maze. Do let us know in the comment section what are your favorite games to play with your kids at home. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Stay safe and keep smiling.